unboxing for you from Invidia. Got this really cheap, so I will be installing this Saturday when I have time, and hopefully it opens up my exhaust note, which right now with the aftermarket exhaust system is really quiet. So there it is. Pop it open. Yes. And there you go. This is a Catless J-pipe from Invidia. There we go. Check that out. And we got all the hardware right here. 2 gaskets, some hardware, stickers. Cool. Install this on Saturday. What's up? Stay tuned.